Toys and books are on display. Let's clean up and make it bright. Everything will feel just right. Clean, clean, tidy up the space. Put things back in their place. Clap, clap, sing along with me. Neat and clean is the way to be. Pick up blocks from off the floor. Put them back and find some more. Stack them neatly one by one. Cleaning up can be so fun. Books go back up on the shelf. We can do it by ourselves. Turn them straight and make them neat. Now our room looks nice and sweet. Clean, clean, tidy up the space. Put things back in their place. Clap, clap, sing along with me. Neat and clean is the way to be. Clothes go piled in nice and tight. Keep them clean and fresh and bright. Shoes together side by side. Organized with happy pride. Clean, clean, tidy up the space. Put things back in their place. Clap, clap, sing along with me. Neat and clean is the way to be. Wipe the table, make it shine. Everything will look so fine. Sweep the floor and dust away. Sparkling clean is how we stay. Working together, me and you. Cleaning is what we can do. Laugh and smile while we clean. Make our space fresh and green. Clean, clean, tidy up the space. Happy smiles on every face. Clap your hands and sing with me. Clean and bright for all to see. Now our space is soft and new. Shiny, happy, just like you. Every day we'll do our part. Keeping clean with happy heart. आप इस complete song को easily copy करके अपने videos, animations या music projects के लिए use कर सकते हैं turbans. बस text select करें और अपनी AI tool या editor में paste कर दें.